Hey everyone, it's JoJo, and today I'm here to announce the winners for my Beyblade random giveaway, Prizes Unclaimed. So a few weeks ago I made a Beyblade giveaway video of prizes that now have been claimed by their owners in previous giveaways. And so I'm going to be announcing the winners for these new Beyblades because they deserve a new owner. Alright, so let's just get started. Prize pack number 1 was 2 Beyblade Shogun Steel, 1 Archer Gargoyle, and 1 Bandit Golem. So the winner for prize pack number 1 is Baymaster66. So congratulations to you. Be sure to check your YouTube inbox because I'll be contacting you real soon. Alright, prize pack number 2 is Beyblade Metal Fury, the Ambush Attack 2-pack, which comes with a Bakushin Susanoo 90WF and a Spiral Herculeo S130WD. So the winner for this prize pack number 2 is Showerman 2K11. Congratulations to you, and also check your YouTube inbox. I'll be contacting you as well. And last but not least, prize pack number 3. 1 Beyblade Metal Fury Hyperblade Cosmic Pegasus FD, 1 Beyblade Metal Fury Very Aris 145 WB with 2 exclusive dome spin tracks, and a Takara Tomy left and right light launcher number 2. So the winner for prize pack number 3 is the Ayush 590, and I hope I pronounced your name right. So congratulations to you. Also check your YouTube inbox. I'll be contacting you real soon. So that is it. Congratulations to all the winners, and thanks to everyone else who participated. I will be having more Beyblade giveaways. I know there are going to be new Shogun Steel Beyblades. I just haven't seen them in stores yet. The Beyblade Shogun Steel anime has ended, so I think this might be the last of the Shogun Steel line, but there are Bay Raiders still that are being sold in stores. I will not do a Bay Raider giveaway. I'm more interested in just the Shogun Steel giveaway. So anyway, congratulations again, and check your inbox, winners, for a message from me. I'm going to say this one more time. Do not post any personal information in the comment section. It's really dangerous. And again, thanks to everyone else for subscribing, supporting, and stay tuned for more Beyblade and giveaways. See you guys soon.